today's the day. We're going to Texas. I've never been there. I'm really excited. I'm also really excited for the show. Chad is getting his vlog on. That is so weird. Oh my god, you guys can't see that in the vlog. We're heading to Dallas for a special event, the ISSA Show North America 2018. It's our first time going. It's a cleaning trade show, and we had to get up at 4 a.m. to make this flight. So I just do my normal things that I do early in the morning. Pick on Chad. Everyone else was standing up, shuffling, trying to get in line, get on that airplane. Nope, Chad and I just took it easy until that line cleared right up. And ironically enough, we were seated right beside the lavatory on the airplane. So absolutely no rush for us to get to our seats. The weather just started to turn cold and windy in Toronto. 3 hours later, we were in sunny, bright, beautiful Dallas, Texas. That was definitely something to be excited about. I wasn't quite sure what to expect with the Dallas skyline, but it was beautiful, and we had a nice, smooth landing.
Am I on your video?
You're in my video. You are now in my video. You'll see it on YouTube. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
And good morning, Dallas. We made it, the ISSA Show North America 2018, and I have an all-access pass, so let's check it out. Now there's this large show floor that's showcasing the latest and greatest products. There were over 720 exhibitors. This might not look so overwhelming because it's sped up, but it legit took us 15 minutes to walk to our booth. This place was huge. Fancy seeing you here.
I just saw your picture.
How you doing? Good to see you.
We ran into some old friends. You remember the Pummy if you watch any of our IHA videos, and it was so nice to see a familiar face from the get-go. We actually have a booth. I know we talk about makers' cloths in our videos, but this is serious stuff, you guys. People love the cloths, and we're one of the many companies here for the first time. Now the show brought us here to experience every single aspect of it, and that is exactly what we intend to do. Not only are we joining the hundreds of other businesses here, there are thousands of new products and services here that people who own all kinds of cleaning businesses or who just purchase things for large organizations and institutions need to know about. So this is where the latest and greatest and most innovative products and tools get talked about. While there were some pretty basic things that you would expect to see anywhere, people are just doing things differently and better. These small innovations make everyone's job easier. Yes, that vacuum was just about as tall as me. Yes, people are working on robots for cleaning. You guys, it's happening, I promise. And this guy needs a raise. Look at his S pattern. Anything and everything that has to do with cleaning was under this roof. It was fascinating. Okay, normally Chad's the one who does the recording, but he's at our booth today. So I'm actually gonna go to some of the classes and meet some of the cleaning people while Chad hangs out with the makers people at the booth. So you're gonna come with me today.
The hotel was a short walk to the convention center, and I must admit, Dallas is actually a really cool city, and the convention center is enormous. And frankly, it needs to be, because in addition to the massive trade show floor that I just showed you, it features over 90 seminars and workshops that help people run better businesses. The cleaning industry is always moving forward, and to move with it, you have to put in work and always be learning new things.
Okay, I just left one of the sessions and I'm heading up to our booth. I wish I could have stayed for the whole thing, but I am learning so much in these sessions. It's amazing. I feel almost foolish that I haven't been coming for longer, given that I've run a cleaning business for 13 years. There's so much to learn. But I do have this little maker's booth, and I really want to see what's happening there, and I want to help Chad out and meet some of you guys. So that's where I'm headed now.
The booth looked great. We had a roll-up banner made, we had some cards made, and of course the most important thing, we had a lot of cloths there that people could touch and feel, and if they were nice, maybe take one home to try for themselves.
Well, I happen to think we have the most good-looking guy working our booth.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, that's why I married you. Chad's idea of having an attractive booth was making the booth look messy, because then he thought all the people who are obsessed with cleaning would come over and try to clean it up. I think that was his strategy.
Touch all the cloths. It's the coolest thing. It just attracts people like it attracts dust and dirt.
Whoa, that is a good sales pitch right there.
Let's use that.
Okay, you're on.
But once the booth was sorted, Chad and I decided to hit the show floor and see what else was going on. And then I took the Tornado Stand-On Scrubber Challenge, which basically meant I got to ride one of these. Now, I've never driven one before, and this was an obstacle course. I didn't crash it, but spoiler, I also didn't win the contest. Either way, it was really fun, and if I ever need a part-time job, I know what I can do. When we first got to the show, honestly, I didn't really know what to expect. It was a trade show about cleaning, but I can clearly see that so much passion, dedication, education, and innovation goes into keeping each and every one of us healthy and safe in our daily lives. And for that, I am truly grateful.
Chad is a non-stop filmer. And now I'm filming him, about to film me. Oh, where's he running to? Oh, a Slurpee truck. Oh, yes. Of course, I married a 4-year-old, so he'll be going to the Slurpee truck. To a Slurpee.
Of aisle 2300.
Not only is this show about business, it's about having fun. These people are here to learn, but they're also here to party. No, I did not line dance, but these people did. The show was packed with fun events. Honestly, I have to say my favorite one was Top Golf, but everything was just such a good time, and Chad and I walked away with lots of business cards and a few new friends. The ISSA also has a significant charitable arm which supports many great causes. But more than any of this, the show is about people. It's about making connections, making us smile, and making new friends. I had such a great time, and as a cleaning business owner, as somebody who talks about cleaning all the time, and as somebody who sells microfiber cloths, I could not have asked for a better place to be. I also loved meeting some Clean My Space fans. Every year this show happens. Every year people come back. They talk about ways they've grown their businesses, new challenges they're facing, new situations that they need help dealing with. And everybody comes together to learn from one another and grow. And like any good trip, we ended it with a margarita. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to take you along to the ISSA next year. Thanks so much for watching.